Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful sparkling dewy Diwali makeup look. First, I'm prepping my skin with NYX's Plump Right Back Primer. This is a primer infused with hyaluronic acid, so it's going to make your skin look so much dewy and hydrated. Next, to create that glow from within, I'm gonna be using the Lakme Lumi cream, which is a budget-friendly option. It's really a nice moisturizer. It has the mild shimmery particles that makes your skin look so much dewy from within. Instantly, you can see that glow. Starting with eye makeup, first I'm using a concealer on my lid to just create a base for the makeup. To prevent it from creasing, I'm setting it with a loose powder. Next, as a first step, I'm using the NARS eye and lip liner in the shade brown. I'm just roughly applying it all over my lid. The texture is so creamy, it's very affordable. You can easily find it in Amazon. I'll be linking it in description box. On top of that, I'm using the shade Mercury from the Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. It's a nice blue-green shimmery shade which is absolutely highly pigmented one. To just have a warm tint for this eye color, I have just used it on top of the brown shade. However, you can definitely use this as a single eyeshadow. As a transition color, I'm using the shade Karma, which is a peachy nude color. You can see how beautifully it combines with this shimmery eyeshadow. Make sure to blend it really carefully because we don't want the shimmery shade to get pop up all over the crease. Moving on to the base makeup, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade Warm Sand. It's a very nice hydrating foundation which has mild coverage. Since I'm creating a dewy base, this foundation is apt for this look. For concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm using it in the areas where I need extra coverage, and also I'm using it to cover my dark circles. To set my full face, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Compact. I'm in the shade NC42. To do my lower lash line, I'm using the Colorbar Mini Glide Eye Pencil in the shade Electra. I'm just using it very gently in my lower lash line. I'm doing a very thin line. And then I'm smudging it using an eyeliner brush from Maybelline. You can use a pencil brush to do this. So regularly for doing lower lash line, we use black shades or brown shades, but I thought of using this blue one, which I found it to be really beautiful. You can see this once I am done. For eyeliner, I'm using the Colorbar Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. The applicator is really nice, guys. You can create a very beautiful, sharp, crisp wing liners using this. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Waterproof Mascara today. It's my new try, guys. I have heard a lot about this one and it is extremely beautiful. It creates a very beautiful lashes. You no need to use any fake lashes when you are using this one. Even though it is waterproof, you can easily remove this mascara without doing any damage to your lashes. Now the eye makeup is done and you can see how beautifully it has turned out. Next, I'm using the Bahama bronzer from the Balm and I'm gently patting it in my cheekbone You can see how beautiful this bronzer is. I am recently addicted to this bronzer, guys. It's very nice, it's very warm. It creates a subtle, beautiful and natural sculpted look for the face. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Tinted Eyebrow Mascara. I didn't use any eyebrow pencils today. This is good enough to fill in the gaps in your eyebrows and as well as brush your eyebrows neatly and make it stay in place forever until you remove it. Can you spot the difference, guys? Next, to highlight my inner corner, I'm using one of the shade from the same Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and this is really nice, guys. Festive look is all about sparkling and glowy, isn't it? For blush, I'm using the K-Beauty Cream Blush. This is my first time use. I'm really impressed with it, guys. This gives that natural flush of color, and once it dries, it transfers to a velvety, soft matte finish. So you no need to set it with any powder, and you can use it after you set your face with some powders too. And one thing to notice is I didn't directly apply the product into my face. Instead, I have picked it at the back of my hands. Slowly, I am dabbing it using a beauty blender. That is how I can build up the color, like how much intensity I need. And next, to highlight the high planes of my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm using it in my brow bones, cheekbone, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and some in my forehead part. For lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa All Day Matte Transfer Proof Waterproof Liquid Lipstick in the shade Soul Sister. Do prep your lips very well before using this, guys, otherwise you will feel the lips to be extremely dry. So this is the final finished look, my dear friends. I hope you found this video to be really useful. Well, all the products that I have used in the video are mentioned in the description box, and Nykaa's Diwali festival sale is going right now. You can pick whatever products you like because everything is in a great discount and deal. Don't forget to check that out. In case if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me, my dear friends. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be meeting you soon in my next interesting video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.